How's it going, YouTube? Here we are at Waypoint for a day of plane spotting. Here's the rescue helicopter taking off. Check out this plane. Yeah. Check out this plane. It's got an interesting configuration. It's a jet. And it has diagonal tail fins. Just want to show you we got it. Alright, here comes our first Cessna to land today. Okay, here comes a Beechcraft landing. There's a helicopter going by. Here's a good old-fashioned Cessna landing. Okay, here comes another Cessna landing. Okay, here comes yet another small plane. Looks like a Beechcraft. Oh wait, it's a private jet. Private jet coming in. Looks like a microjet, actually. Or maybe a Learjet. Kind of looks like an old Learjet. Yeah, they don't make Learjet anymore.
Me, I get it. Really deep. For me, we say, yeah, for
Okay, we got two planes in one. There's a Cessna landing and another plane taking off. So focus on.
I forgot it was there. I didn't even like.
There we go.
Like real shower. I didn't feel like I had a real shower. Because
a lot of focus.
hotel we stayed in the
People are constantly stepping in and out, sprinting. Wow, it's a whole different day around things.
See?
With his little teeth hanging out in front.
It looks like a stuffed animal. I don't know how.
Just set it and then you go.
This one came out perfect.
I know. I will put all of my money into it.
You need to stop doing this. I don't know.
Another Beechcraft coming in. We got this Arizona State University themed plane taxiing out to take off. Yeah, it has an Arizona State University sticker on its tail. So. I wonder if he's going to fly it all the way over to Arizona State University. Yeah. Anyways, he's taxiing out, so just want to show you we got him.
Oh, God, that's over here. I told you it was going to. That's why when I was like, do we got everything? Yeah, that's
See him go along the taxiway. And do we have anything landing? Actually, we do. Alright, yeah, as soon as the sky taxi's out, we're gonna go to this plane landing. There we go. It looks like a Beechcraft.
No, wait. Oh, yeah.
There we go.
So I can drop there.
Here's a rescue helicopter.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, he's taking off. Looks like a Coast Guard rescue. There it is. I'll edit out the walking clip. Here comes a private jet landing at that Camarillo. Looks like a Learjet. Yeah, it's a Learjet. Small private jet. Yeah, this has the diagonal wings. That's kind of interesting. came out perfect. There's a plane. There's a Cessna taxiing in. And parking. As this parks, we got this guy landing.
Not like
the littles were playing.
Oh, this is the Arizona State University plane that I saw earlier. Yeah, it has the ASU logo on it. The Sun Devils! This is my plane!
And I remember he scored 1 or 2 goals for the first 2 games. And then as the season went on,
I could be just flying it around. Oh, here comes one of my favorite colors, Cessna. Yellow Cessna. Well, it also has an ASU decal on it. There's a plane coming in at an angle.
yeah, go out to Marcelo. Yeah, go out to Marcelo. There'll be a whole lot of. I would imagine Jack and William are like, we got a grill on that.
Yeah. It'll be
Okay, here's another Beechcraft landing at a Camarillo. And if you're gonna plane this is. It's a Cessna.
Alright, you ready? Yeah. Alright. Breakfast is delicious. Thanks for finding this.
Okay, that's what we got here. A Cessna.
Yeah, this place is closed.
Dad, for Easter, I'm gonna do one.
Set a date.
Remember that?
Because he was so nervous about how I
Is this another ASU plane? Yes, it is.
No, it's this habit again. Excuse me, I burped.
So his sisters and his mom were like, I got 10,000. My wife would walk around the house, go up and down the stairs to get her steps. And so they would be like, only 9,220. They're like,
Levi chocolate.
and it's like, wait a minute. I lived next door to the bathroom, only like 10 steps. I don't think it was 20 steps. Yeah, he called me. He said, I'm not graduating. No. Matter of fact, he said, it's too late. I said, solve that. He said, but I don't know how to solve it. I already failed. I already told him.
Mom, please.
I said, but
What do you do?
figure out something was on watch. Something was in the city.
This interesting plane has flashing landing lights for some reason.
COVID made it work.
Not more than I do. At the very least.
And the swing. Oh, all right. I think you were there.
Andrew.
Okay, I thought you
Ah.
It tastes so good.
You didn't really take it.
I taste
Here, move the.
You just got a couple.
Hey, come here.
Like you and my sister. My dad tastes it delicious.
He had already poured the champagne.
Smells horrible. Oh, you're cute.
Oh god, I gotta rest my hands. Okay, I'm gonna cut here. I just had to give my hands a break. They're getting tired. Black Cessna. Oh, it's dark green. Aye, for St. Patty's Day. This plane is perfect for St. Patty's Day.
Pass at the movies where he could see like all the Oscar-nominated movies, you know, so I could get to see like 8 movies in 2 or 3 days or something. So he went with.
Here's the Ventura County Fire and Rescue helicopter. It's technically owned by the sheriff, but it's used for rescues. Okay, this plane that was parked in the car park is now taking off. Yeah, he's tuxing out. Here's a stunt plane making sharp turns. Here's Batman's plane. I'm Batman. I like my planes to be all black. Do I look like a cop?
My name on the card is Richard.
Okay, let's fix the focus. There we go. Still a little out of focus. There we go. I think he's not landing, so yeah. Okay. Thought for sure he was gonna land. Actually is landing. Let's see what we got. Okay, let's focus. Fix the focus. It's a single person plane. Okay, we got a single person plane landing. Maybe a two person. Okay, yeah. Yeah, this will be my last plane of the day. I'll see you all at Santa Susana. Okay, never mind. This is our last plane of the day. This huge private jet landing. Okay, yeah. After this plane, I'll see you all at Santa Susana.